This is a 2006 Toyota Highlander, and today the female offspring is going to change its oil. Coffee? 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 I need an ice cube though. I need an ice cube. Okay, we are. The coffee and the daughter, the female offspring, she's ready to change the oil in her car for the first time, right?
Yeah.
Do you have your keys?
Right there.
Where are they at? Go get them. That's some good coffee. Alright, let's go do this. We don't need to do that. Just, so get the manual out.
So why'd you tell me to get my keys? Oh, so I can unlock
So you can unlock it. Okay, so in the back of the manual, there should be a listing of quantities that you need. So like oil quantities. So look at the very back, you know how to use a book. It's got an index. There should be an index in the back. So look up oil. Let's see here.
Is this my registration?
Here we go. Specifications, engine.
What if I get pulled over?
Here we go. So right here. Here you go. Right here. What? About what?
What if I get pulled over when I have my license and the registration sheet says it's under your name?
That's fine.
Do I just say my parents?
Yeah.
Hopefully I won't have any.
Yeah. Okay, so look right here in this part of the book, it's called specifications. Okay, just flip it and then you should see right there under engine lubrication, does it say what capacity it is?
2.4 Al 4-cylinder with filter, without filter.
Okay, so which engine does this have? Okay, well you got a 4-cylinder and a 6-cylinder, right?
Yeah.
Does this have the 4 or the 6-cylinder?
How am I supposed to know? Do I go look at it?
Yep. You know how to open it? Right here. There's a little lever in there. Push up on it. Push up on it. You gotta push up on the lever. See, it's like a switch. Push up on it, and then you should be able to lift the hood. Okay, what engine does this have?
6.
3.3 liter V6.
6.
Okay, so which capacity are you using?
With or without filter?
With filter.
4.7. And then in parentheses it says 5.0 or 4.1.
Okay, so this says right here, liters and quarts. So this is liters and this is quarts. So we need,
Well then what's this one?
this is imperial quarts.
Oh.
So we just need quarts. So we're doing 5 quarts of oil. Does it say what type of oil we need to use?
Toyota genuine motor oil is using your Toyota.
Does it say what viscosity?
It just says or equivalent to satisfy the following grade and viscosity. Recommended oil viscosity. SAE
5 weight 30. 5W30. Okay, so we need 5 quarts of 5W30 oil. Yes. Write that down. Coffee.
5 quarts
Yeah, it's cracked in the back. And we're off.
Oh, Dad.
What?
So on the driving test when I get my license,
Yep.
I will not pass if I look back at any time.
You can't check your blind spot?
No. They make you look in the mirrors. Only the mirrors.
No,
yeah.
no,
yeah.
That's not right.
No. They failed Lolita for it. They failed her for because they check how much you look at your mirrors.
Okay.
They failed a girl in my class named Chloe for checking her mirrors too much. They failed another girl in my class because they were talking about it for not checking it enough. And then they failed Lolita for looking back. And they wrote it down in the thing.
Okay, well, the driver's test people are stupid then.
No, they're so strict.
I mean, you gotta check your blind spot. If you're changing lanes, you have to look back. You have to look back. That's just how it works.
Well, I don't know what to do on the test. Do I like ask the person?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Say like, okay, I'm gonna check my blind spot, but like, if that's not a good thing, you need to let me know because I won't do it. One cup of coffee down. Ah, yeah. Turn around.
Did you know Maddie failed her test because she cut someone off while she was doing it? She cut someone off doing the driving test.
Wow.
I don't think she meant to, but
That's awesome. That's because she didn't check her blind spots.
I'm like,
So she either would have failed because she cut somebody off, or she would have failed because she looked back to check her blind spots.
yeah, but she went back the next
The system is rigged, folks.
She went back the next day and she,
Right here, right here, right here,
oh, right here.
right here, right here, right here, right here.
Well, I didn't know where it was.
Sonic.
I thought it was like across the street over
No,
there.
it's Sonic, right there. You see Sonic right there?
Let's go this way.
Okay, well.
You kind of told me to turn right when we were passing.
Well, I thought you knew where we were going.
I didn't really know.
Didn't really know where we were going.
I only ever pay attention to the
Radio?
no, to like the places
The
I
radio?
like to go.
Oh, I'm gonna turn in right here. Right here. Taking my life in my hands, riding with her.
Oh, shut up, you're fine.
I'd rather ride with you than your mother.
Really?
I mean,
You know what makes me so mad? She tells me not to do something and then she gets on the road and does it.
here somewhere. It doesn't matter. Okay, so just to recap, we needed 5 quarts, right? Your park job sucks, by the way.
That was not that. Oh yeah, that was.
Your park job is terrible. 5 quarts of 5 weight 30.
Can I just say I park way better when I'm
Just turn this way and park in this one. No, just go this way and park. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Let me roll out my window. Apartment, which is like back there. Back here? Actually, go grab a basket. Go grab a basket. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna get. Yeah, but like usually they run sales on stuff. If you buy.
This is 5% of SAE 5W30.
It's only $26.99.
Yeah. It's
Sometimes they run a sale though if you get a.
This one's only $25.99.
Yeah, let's grab this guy. Okay,
Why do we need this?
because. Well, I guess we probably didn't need it. Alright, so we're gonna come over here to the oil filters.
To get what?
We gotta get an oil filter over here. There's a catalog right there. You see that catalog sitting right there? Okay, so you need to look up your car.
Like the oil type?
Yeah, so this is at C, so you need to go to the T's. See, it's C,
How do you? Oh, okay, I see.
G, I. You need to go back to Toyota. It's organized alphabetically and then it's organized by year, so you still need to go back because you're only at J. K.
Oh.
M. Toyota. Okay, so now you see it's got years here.
Mine is
so
2006, Dad.
I know, exactly. So
it's
the
this
newer,
one?
yeah, the older ones are in the back. So you need to go to 2006.
Oh, it's 2006.
Yeah, so now you got makes. So you have a Highlander. Just keep going until you find a Highlander. Yeah, this is 2005. So we missed it somewhere. Right here. Which engine does yours have?
6.
V6 3.3 liter. Okay, so we need to get, so these are the brands right here, and this is the number, right? So it's a S3614 or PH 3614. So that's where we just come over here and we look for a S3614 right there, $5. Yep. And they don't have any frames, so that's the one. And that's an STP, right? So we look at the STP column and we're good to go. Okay, that's it. Let's go change your oil. You ready for this? You sure? You sure? Are you sure? Are you sure you're sure?
Yeah.
Aren't you so happy?
Yeah.
So happy. Got some oil. 5 quarts. 4.7 liters. Exactly what the doctor calls for. I mean the manual. You gonna unlock the doors or what?
I can't reach the button.
There's a lever. Right down there. Right down there. It's right down there. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now come open it.
Why are there fish tanks here?
I keep telling your mother she needs to take those to work. She has not yet. Okay. Open the hood. Use both hands if you have to. Okay. Now you know how to prop it open?
No.
There's
This?
this thing right here. You take that and there's a hole over there for it. Yep. Just like that. Okay, so now your hood's open. Now the engine oil, we're gonna put it in right there. The drain is on the bottom. However, we probably should let this cool off just a smidge before we change the oil because we drove it. We probably shouldn't have driven this car. You know what I'd do if I was you? Go sit it in the sun for about 5 minutes. Because it'll warm up and it'll be much softer and easier to get on there.
No, I can do it like
You
this.
can do it? I think you can do it, huh?
Yeah. I got yours. Your was on that's on the truck on.
You put that on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But it was mostly me.
just so you don't get your hands all oil stained and nasty. Because it gets in under your fingernails, so you don't want that, right? You're gonna get bitten by the bug. You're gonna want to work on cars all the time. You're gonna want to change your mind. You'll be like, screw working with kids, I want to work with cars. You don't know about that?
No, but I like your idea of opening my own daycare.
Yeah.
That's like smart. I never even thought of that.
Okay, so grab the floor jack right there.
What do I do with it?
And then the handle is right here, so you just kind of stick that in right there. And we're gonna wheel this in. All right. See this piece right here?
Yeah.
That's frame. So just stick it kind of right there and start jacking her up.
How do I do it? Like
Yep, just pump it. See how it's starting to go up now?
Oh yeah.
Just keep pumping it until you get it up off. So this, you don't really have to do this, but I like to do this just so that I have a little bit more room to work under there.
You have to go under?
Yeah, you gotta get under that. You
I thought that you just
have to
like,
get under there.
take the stick out.
Nope. That's to check it. This is to change it. Big difference.
Oh darn it.
Yeah. Push it away from you. Just until it breaks loose.
Can I face the other way?
Here, you can push that out of the way. Get that on there and just break it loose. Don't actually open it up all the way. Just break it loose. Can you get it? Here. All right. There we go. Okay. Now, just slowly start. No, you should be able to turn it with your hands.
I want to get all over my hands.
That's why you're wearing the gloves.
But it's hot.
It's not gonna be that hot. Just start. Do you want to get on this side?
Why would I get on that?
Because you're right-handed, and it might be better if you're on this side.
Ooh, your shirt.
Ooh, your shirt. Okay. Just start slowly taking that out. It's gonna start dribbling, but don't let it drop into the oil, into the catch basin.
What do you mean?
Don't drop the bolt into the.
Oh. Oh my gosh, it's kind of hot. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Get it?
Yeah,
Is it draining into the pan?
yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Now we gotta locate the oil filter.
What do I do with this?
What I usually like to do with those is wipe them off with a rag or a paper towel. And I have a rag.
Well, then do I put this back in and then...
Yes, you're gonna put that back in once it's done draining. So just wipe it off with this. There you go. And then you can
A little bit off the floor when I dropped it.
wipe that up too with that rag.
They're all Gucci. How do I tell if it's cross-threaded?
Is it easy to turn?
Yeah.
It's not cross-threaded. It's just turning and turning and turning. You got it. You got it.
And now it's tight?
So get it finger tight to where the bolt is all the way up against the pan. Okay, now you can pull the pan out of the way and then put the wrench on it and just tighten it down a little bit. Not a whole lot. Before you grab the wrench though, wipe off your gloves with that rag over there. That way you don't get my tools all
Should
oily.
I wipe off the bottom of that?
Wipe
Do you
off
want
the
to check
bottom
it
of
to
it.
make sure it's not cross-threaded? Or do you
No, it's
trust
good.
me?
I trust you. Wipe off your arms too. You got it all over your arms.
I will. Where'd you
Yeah.
put that at?
We take it back to the oil place. Wipe off your arms right there.
You
too.
do?
Yeah,
What do
and
they
then
do with
they
it?
recycle it. All right. Now, put the wrench on it and spin it the other way. So you're gonna kind of, or spin it the same way that you were spinning it when you were just.
So towards me, or
Yeah, you're gonna pull it towards you. And it doesn't have to be super tight. Just give it a couple of really good tugs, and that's probably all you need to do. You got it?
okay, I'm gonna do one more. Okay.
Oh yeah, you got it. I can see the whole car moving when you're doing that. Okay. Now, let's find the oil filter. Alright, so go ahead and
So
spin
turn
that.
it this way? Like go under it like this?
You're gonna turn it this way.
Wait, is it like this?
Yeah, it's
So then I'm just gonna go like that.
yeah, exactly. Just kinda.
Is it hot, Dad?
No, it's not too it's warm, but it's not hot. And just turn it slowly.
Where is it? Oh,
You feel it?
yeah.
Just turn it slowly. Because we're gonna let the oil drain out just a little bit.
I can hear it. Draining, do you hear it?
Yes, and it's draining into the oil catch, which is good. And then when it comes off, you're gonna want to turn it so that the part that's facing you is down, and then just kind of pull
Wait,
it.
what? So I pulled it up basically, so it doesn't drip.
Yeah,
anywhere.
yeah. You hold it up so that the open side is up.
It's kind of hot.
It's a little warm. So you can probably spin it a little faster now. Just take it all the way off now.
I'm scared. It's like one of those.
There we go. Oh no, that was the guy across the street, wasn't it?
No, I think that was this.
Okay. You about got her?
I'm scared that I'm gonna drop it because it's so hot. Okay, it's about to come off.
Okay.
Dad, this is hot. Like it's actually kind of hot.
It's hot.
That's
You
hot.
gonna do a Will Smith moment?
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
You know I'm cutting that. You know I'm gonna cut that in.
Oh gosh. Okay. Ow, ow,
You about
ow.
got it?
Yeah, it's like about to come off, but it's kind of hot. I'm scared.
It's alright. It's alright. Just take it easy.
Okay. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, it's leaking.
It's alright. You got it. Just there we go.
Oh.
Alright.
It kind of leaked in there because it
That's
was hard to like get my hand.
That's fine. We'll wipe it up. Alright. Stick that sucker back on there. Think you can do it? It's all by feel. You can't see it. Y'all have to feel it. Come on. You can do it.
I'm scared because it's hot down there.
It's not that hot. It's not that hot. Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
What if I drop it?
You're not gonna drop it.
What if I do?
Well, don't drop it. How about
My
that?
hands are sweaty.
Oh, give me a break. Come on. Come on. Do it.
What, should I hold it like this?
Yes. You gotta. Well, you gotta. So you gotta just kind of get it down in there, right? And then you can organize, and then you can figure out where to put it from there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. My hand is too fat. How did you do that?
So like, you just kind of hold it like this, right? That way,
Oh,
when
so
you
then
get
I
down
can
there, you
scoop
can
it.
just just
Okay.
turn it. Yeah.
So like this, and then
Yeah.
I'll just go like
Yeah.
that. Okay.
You gotta find where it goes.
Okay.
That's the first part.
I found the.
Okay, and then you just kind of turn it.
Oh, I don't know if I have it like on the right. Okay, wait. It goes in the middle of it, right?
Yep, right up the middle.
I can't. This is like plugging in my charger when it's 2 a.m. and I woke
Yeah.
up and I accidentally unplugged it.
Yep.
And you can't see what you're doing. Okay, wait, let me find this hole again. Okay. And then this goes right. Every time I get it on there, it moves. I need both my hands.
You can use both hands if you need to. It's
It's kind of hot, like, not gonna lie.
not that hot.
Ow!
Did you get it? Is it turning?
Yeah,
Nice and easy?
pretty much.
Is it not falling off?
No.
Sounds like you got it. Pour up. Slowly pour it in. I'll hold this so that it doesn't go anywhere. Camera battery is about to die. I'll Yeah, I can if I need to. Okay, so just slowly pour it. Easy, killer. There we go. Just pour the whole thing.
I can't wait for it to start getting lighter.
Alright, I'm gonna check underneath, make sure that nothing's leaking underneath here, and it looks like we're good to go.
Wait, oh gosh, it's starting to leak out inside.
Oh yeah, you gotta go nice and slow. Go nice and slow. Don't let it back up in the funnel.
Do you think that it's bad that it wasted some of it?
No, you didn't waste that much.
So it's okay if it's not fully 5 course?
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so we're gonna check it now just to make sure we got enough. So that's the oil dipstick. Just pull it out. Other hand, you're gonna need the rag free because you gotta wipe the dipstick.
Oh.
Pull it out. Wipe off the dipstick.
And then put it back in?
Put it back in and then pull it back out.
Can I get it back over?
Yeah, that's fine. Put it in and pull it back out. And as long as
This is the part we learned how to do in our class.
yeah, as long as the oil level is between the 2 dots, you're good.
Wait, just like
Go ahead, pull it back out. And now look at it. Right, so it says, yeah, it's between the 2 dots, you're good.